Hey you guys, it's Vijaya. So here's the thing, no matter who you are, I feel like we all have an inner fangirl living within us. And in this new series, I'm gonna be making recipes inspired by our favorite TV shows, movies, celebrities, and food culture of the moment. This is Fangirl Kitchen. I really love Kiernan Shipka. She played Sally Draper on Mad Men, and she's so cute and so stylish, and she's a girl after my heart because she really, really loves food. And she posts the most gorgeous food photos, and one totally caught my eye, and that was for ricotta toast from the really popular LA restaurant Sqirl. So I headed to Sqirl to see what the fuss was all about. Check it out. So I'm here in LA, and one of the most LA things to do is to hit up celebrity hotspots. So I'm heading to this place called Sqirl. There's a really famous actress. Her name is Kiernan Shipka, and she posted a picture of this toast. It looked insane. It's a thick cut brioche toast with a huge smear of fresh ricotta cheese and jam over the top, and we're gonna go get some right now. So I just got the menu. Let's see where this toast is. There you are! The famed ricotta toast. That's what I'm going for. They just dropped it off in front of me. You guys have to see this. Oh my goodness. Look at that thick layer of ricotta, the burnt brioche toast, and then we have a raspberry cardamom jam on top. Look at it. Oh, I don't think there's any graceful way of eating this, so let's just do it. That was so worth the wait and the trip from Toronto to LA. So now I'm gonna try and make this by myself, and I think I have an idea as to how I'm gonna do it. We're making cheese, yay! We're making ricotta or ricotta, depending on where you're from, and it's super simple. It only takes 4 ingredients. So I have some whole milk, glug glug glug, and to the whole milk I'm gonna add some heavy cream because we want this ricotta to be nice and rich. And I'm gonna season it up with a little bit of salt. So I'm just gonna turn up the heat, and we're gonna keep stirring this until it comes to a simmer. Okay, so my milk and cream mixture has just come up to the simmer. I start to see a few bubbles, so I'm gonna turn off the heat, and now is when things get super fun. So we have to introduce a little bit of acid to this mixture in order to create the cheese, and I have some lemon juice here. And just give it a quick stir, and then let it hang out for about a minute so that the curds separate from the whey. All right, so this mixture is ready to strain, and in it goes. And I can already see that the curds have separated from the whey a bit. So I'm gonna let this hang out on the counter for about 60 minutes, and by the time I get back, the ricotta is gonna be nice and thick and creamy. Wow, and just like that, we have homemade cheese. So look at that, it's super soft and smushy, and I'm gonna use brioche for this. So here we go, let's assemble this guy. The way they do it at Sqirl is that they put a huge smear of ricotta all over the top, right to the edges. That's so important. And then they have house-made jam. So if you watch until the end of this video, you can get my recipe for strawberry rose jam, but you know what, you can use any store-bought jam that you like. And they pool it in the middle of the toast, so, ooh, that looks so good. All right, let's give it a taste. Oh, it's heavy. This is so good. The ricotta is tangy, and then paired with that sweet strawberry rose jam on top, it's an unbelievable combination. If you ever find yourself in LA, channel your inner fangirl and head to Sqirl and eat this toast the way that Kiernan does. And if you can't make it here, that's totally fine. You can give this recipe a go at home.